Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobbydude 007 channel and Model Cars and Coffee with Hobbydude. Today I want to share with you another kit review I did for Scale Auto magazine a number of years ago, and this was a Corvette, another Corvette that was really cool. So let's take a look. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. This project was based on the 2012 Corvette Z06 Roadster or convertible. It packed a 6.2-liter LS3 V8 engine pushing 430 horsepower, and it would turn 0 to 60 in about 3.8 seconds. A lot of options came with this car too. I loved the leather interior in these things. They came in a variety of colors, as you see here, and the project was based on an AMT showroom replica, so it was more of a curbside 2012 Chevy Corvette convertible. And this was just a really cool kit. I went a little off the rails on the color that I chose because at the time I did this kit review, not only was the kit new, but the all-clad candy colors were new. So I decided I would use cobalt blue over the all-clad bright silver base. So let's get a look at it. And here it is, guys. This is the AMT 2012 Chevy Corvette Convertible Roadster, as I call it. This was part of AMT's Showroom Replica series, and like I said, it's more of a curbside. Builds into a nice little shelf model. This was actually a fun kit to review and build. Like I said, I really like this cobalt blue. I mean, look at that. And I'm kind of highlighting a little bit about the all-clad cobalt blue, and cobalt just being a really deep, rich blue, but really sharp. I think this kit was comprised, I want to say it was about 35 or 36 total parts. Check out that interior in there too. And all the decals, everything you see on the dash, the steering wheel, the marker lights, all of this stuff was all part of the decals. And even look up in the mirrors there, the side view mirrors, you see the stickers, the decals actually that went in there, not stickers, but really nice little shelf model, as I said. The bottom side, as you see, I've weathered it up just a little bit, just did a little dry brushing. You've got the chrome wheels, the exhaust tips were chrome. The rest of it was, as I said, just a little weathered up, dry brushed, a little silver over the bottom there. The tires and wheels, I think they turned out really well. It's a good fit, good stance. This is just straight out of the box too, guys. But I think it was a very nice looking car. And I don't know if this would qualify as a screw bottom kit, because I know there's a lot of challenges and stuff like that to do a screw bottom. But as you see, there are 2 screws there, 2 screws back here, so you've got it's technically it's a screw bottom. But this entire series of cars, oh, I knocked one of the mirrors off there. I'll put that back on in a minute. But if you were going to do that, I would imagine this qualifies. And all of that series, you might remember I did one on a Challenger, an 09 Challenger, which was absolutely awesome. And it was part of this series. And I think there was also hardtop. There were several other cars in this series of showroom replicas. But kind of cool. And if you like Corvettes or just sports cars, things like that, I'm trying to tuck that back in there. There we go for the moment anyway. Hey, see if you can find these and pick them up, because they build into a nice little model. It doesn't take long. I think I waited for the paint to dry longer than anything else. But fun little build and something cool for the shelf. Okay, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Look forward to seeing everyone else's model cars and coffee today. So hope y'all have an awesome week. God bless. We'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.